So, first of all, what I want you to do is to have a look around you and tell me, what can you see that has not been designed? So, you're probably sitting in your rooms or your living room right now. Just have a look around. Think about the desk that your computer might be on. Think about the pen that you might be holding. Think about the clothes that you're wearing. Think about the lighting that's illuminating your room. It's all been designed. So, in taking GCSE design and technology, you might like to solve problems. You might like to fix things, draw, take risks, invent, make things, create things. You don't have to draw by hand. We can use computers. We use computer aided design frequently in the work that we do. So why choose D&T? The world's changing rapidly. You know that now more than ever. And your generation in particular needs to prepare for the unknown. So the GCSE that you'd undertake in design and technology offers transferable skills that you can apply to many different careers, which I'll show you at the end, creative skills, and it allows you to apply the maths and science that you learn. Also, you get to have fun. You make stuff. You make mistakes and you learn from them, and you create things that actually have a reason and a purpose. But design technology is not just about making things. It's also about, or designing things, it's also about questioning things that have already been designed. So you can take McDonald's seating, for instance. I don't know if you know this, but McDonald's deliberately have their seats designed so that they become uncomfortable after a period of time. That's clever design on the part of McDonald's and the designer of their particular furniture. And your zips, 3/4 of the zips that we have on our clothing, our bags, and other items are made by this one manufacturer called YKK, a Chinese manufacturer. We take these things for granted. And why can't you change the battery on an iPhone? Why can't you change the screen yourself when it's cracked? And these are the sort of questions that I'd want you to think about and I'd want you to ask yourself if you were undertaking the GCSE course in design and technology. Why do we take these things for granted? Why do we allow these things to happen? I mean, in terms of Apple and their phones, they want you to spend money and they want you to spend money on Apple products. So if you can repair things, then you're not spending money, you're fixing things. So Apple deliberately designed their products so that you can't repair them yourself. Is that right or is that wrong? These are ethical questions that you'd be answering as part of your GCSE in D&T. So the whole course is 50% coursework and 50% exam. And in year 10, you undertake a range of different projects, and you learn about different skills and you learn about different types of theory as well. And in year 11, it's 50% exam. So we have all of these different topics that you need to learn about. And you have a 50% coursework where you design and make a project based on a choice of 3 different themes. So the exam board set 3 different themes for you to choose in order to design a product. Your Year 11 project can be based on any technology area. It can be textiles, product design, graphics, or engineering, and you must learn your chosen material area in depth. So you can still do a fashion and textiles project. You could still do a piece of furniture, or a piece of graphics. You could also mix it up. So you could have a product that has textiles involved in it as well. So you can kind of mix material areas up. So after undertaking your GCSE in tech, you have many different sixth form options. And further down the line, you can look at being a fashion designer, a model maker, an architect, a graphic designer, or an engineer, or a product and furniture designer. So there are many options open to you. So I hope you enjoyed my presentation and do consider my subject.